Hi guys, I'm Surbhi and welcome to my channel Typical Gossip. I hope you are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you my room tour, and I hope that you will enjoy this video and also like and subscribe. So let's begin. So here is where I walk into my room. See here, there is my nameplate, name artist, my sisters, my small sisters name is Kaushiki, Swanandi and Surbhi, and there's the lovely sisters. Let's go ahead. So yeah, so this is my entire room. So first I tell you from yesterday. So this is all my of stuff, but I just hang over my sweatshirts and my all the bags, purse, caps. Let's move ahead. So this is numbers for my sister to study. This is of alphabets and this is of numbers 1 to 100. And yo, so this is handmade. I've written we love art. I'm sorry for the background noise. My god, I dropped it. So this is my pet. This is chair where I used to keep all the stuffs like lamp or something, but I don't have it. So see, here is my so soft teddy, and I love just all soft toys. But I have less, and I'm going to take more soft toys after the lockdown. Yes, a teddy bear patches as I love so much teddies. This is my pet. See, you can see. So yeah, here you can see this is my carom board, but I don't have the tiles to play, so that's why I'm kept here. And all the soft toys that I have, and I also have a big teddy, but I can't show you. So this is the stickers that I bought from Amazon, and I'm sorry for this all. This is my sister has all removed, my small sisters. So I just love Barbie, so I have taken the stickers of Barbie wall printing. So now this is my cupboard where I study, and at the top there are all the toys that I keep. So see, here I used to study and paint, and this table is all of made with pen, sorry. And I have 2 tables. Here is also one table. You can see here. So here I used to keep this zoo faces book. This is when I was a baby, small baby. This I have bought it. So you can see from 4 zoo faces. This hippo, lion, tiger, gorilla, elephant, and this penguin. So if you tap on this, noise come like poo poo. So here is the gods, and here this is the stamps, but I don't have. I haven't book. So now here. So here I keep my newest clothes. And up is my I love to paint, so that's I have decorated this what do you say that cupboard by written by art plus here written painting makes the world colorful. Here is a painting is beautiful. I don't know why, whatever. Here is the art. Now I will open the cupboard, but there's too much stuff. Oh my god. So yeah, here are my brushes which I used to keep to paint. This are all my colors, and this is a big palette, the Amazon. I bought this from Amazon. See, wow. I have not used this palette as is new, but I will use it. This has small sections, medium sections, and large sections. These are two. So here I used to keep this, and then up I have all my files. This is God, and there's too much of stuff on this. Oh my god, sorry. So here I used to keep my all storybooks. Here is blank books, and here is the box of toys and bags. Up I have this bag which I've got free. This is the birthday caps and all. So this are the colors and much more. Is my watch, but there's too much of stuff here. Sorry. So let's go to town. So in this town's cupboard, I used to keep my all school notebooks and books. So these are textbooks, notebooks, and the new notebooks. This is my sister's cupboard, which here keeps her. These are textbooks. So yeah, this is my color pencils holder. I love a cute, so this I have just painted a cute one. Now I will show you another one. So see, here is a small frame which is handmade, and there written "Get your beauty sleep." Let's move ahead. Sorry. So this is my small God's temple, which I used to pray every day in morning and at the night. So here is my window, and I have just made this of the small papers as I love the decorations. So yeah, I just forgot to tell you. So yeah, this is a handmade one. I've just cut it out a shape of a moon and a paper of the stars, and I've painted with flowers. And at the top of that you can see, I don't know. So yeah, so here is written Sweet Sisters. As is our room, so I've written Sweet Sisters, as we are 3 sisters. And this is the stickers, handmade stickers, which I've made. And when I move around at the top of this, I have my all games, such as this is the nail arts, this is a crossword, chess, body art, what do you say that, bracelet making, sand art, dandias, racket, and more. And here this is a blackboard, which I used to play like a teacher. And then I'm showing you entire room again. And at the top of that, I love Barbies. So Here is my Barbie fan. The Barbie fan. And I just love pink color. So I've just painted my old room in the pink color. You can see this. Wow, beautiful. So how was my video? And I'm going to also buy some more brushes, teddies, but I love them. And I just love all lights. So I'm just going to buy a light also. After this lockdown, there is a COVID-19 pandemic, and I have to live in home only. I just don't go outside. When the COVID-19 pandemic begins, I just don't step outside. So how was my video? And I hope that you have liked the video and subscribed to my channel. And don't forget to share to your friends. For now, bye bye. I will meet you in another video with some new videos. So for now, bye bye.